Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we talk about a bird that looks like it's wearing black socks and yellow shoes. The little egret. It is important to note that the smaller egrets that you see is more likely to be cattle egrets. Therefore, pay close attention to the feet. The little egret is a species of small heron. Small snow-white heron with slender dark bill, blackish legs and yellowish feet. Its breeding distribution is in wetlands in warm temperate to tropical parts of Europe, Africa, Asia and Australia. Breeding adult has 2 long wispy head plums and a spray of white plums on the lower back. Inhabits a wide variety of wetlands, lakes, rivers, marshes, estuaries, almost anywhere with small fish. Occurs as singles or small loose groups, nests and roosts communally. Their calls are like locally named Punchi Koka. I have seen the little egret throughout Sri Lanka. One such place is a jungle resort called Ulagalla in Tirippanaya, Anuradhapura. It is a massive jungle resort and it's a bird's paradise. If you ever visit here, don't forget to do a bird watching tour.